Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Transit. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a suitable drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil for your specific Ford Transit model. Finally, take a moment to locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your vehicle before you begin the process. Now, let's get that old oil out. Start by warming up your engine for a few minutes. This helps the oil drain more easily. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly and let it drain completely until only a slow drip remains. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new. Carefully remove the old oil filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Then, securely reinstall the oil drain plug. Finally, pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the engine through the filler cap. After refilling, check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start your engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck the level. Also, inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to check the description for links to tools and other great deals, including Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh. Proper maintenance keeps your Ford Transit running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.